guys, it's me again. Welcome back, welcome back. Today's video is on my hair. I'm so excited. So, updates, my natural hair journey. As most of you know, I cut my hair about 2 years ago, 2019, 2020, 2021. 2019, yes, I had my big chop. So okay, let me start from the beginning, let me not rush. So first of all, I had my relaxed hair, which was almost bra length. Okay, that hair was healthy, it was really good. However, I wanted a change. I wouldn't say why. I'll make another video on that. Or should I say why? Okay, you know what, I'll just say why. But the other video will include more details and maybe advice and tips. So I just wanted to go natural because my natural hair is very beautiful and curly, as you can see. This is my natural hair, it's not relaxed. I straightened it. So I wanted it back. I was fed up with straight hair and buying relaxer and relaxing every time, every 3 months or so. So I decided, you know what, I'm done. It's time to chop this hair. It was a hard decision because I had to cut all off. Usually I'll do like a fringe or cut layers, but this time it was everything off. So I didn't want to go bald. I decided to let my hair get new growth, okay, for about 5-6 months. So for about 5-6 months I did not relax my hair. So I had new, we call it undergrowth in Nigeria. I had new growth. Then when I was ready, on my birthday, 1st February 2019, I told my husband, let's do it. So I gave him the scissors, I wet my hair, he could see the difference between relaxed and natural, so he trimmed off the hair. I'll put pictures in this video as I make and talk about. Let me move to the right so I can put the pictures here. Alright, so, right. After that, fast forward to about 1 month later, I'll keep putting the pictures. 1 month later, the growth I had. 2 months later, 3 months later, 4 months later, 5 months later, 6 months later. After 6 months, I wasn't quite consistent in taking pictures of my hair journey or my hair growth, but I'll still put some pictures so you can see the journey up to now. Then, so which means when I cut my hair, I wasn't quite bald. I just had hair up to here. So it was about 6 months growth of hair. Then after I celebrated my 1 year natural journey, and some weeks back it was up to 2 years. So I then decided to go see how long it was. I'm so excited. So when I went to a professional salon, because I wanted it to be trimmed as well, because I always trim my hair for growth. I went to the professional. She was able to wash the hair, roll the hair, and put me under the hood dryer. It dried for a bit. It was just to straighten it, to make it easier to straighten, since there won't be relaxer. So after that, she did some blow drying and with a brush. Then she did just a bit of running straightener through it. A lot of heat, but she put heat, hair protection from heat. Please guys, if you're straightening your hair for length check, make sure you put heat protection. In fact, anytime you're putting heat in your hair, protect it first with a lotion before you do that. If not, your curls will not go back the same. It won't be the same. And then if you have relaxed hair, your hair will start damaging and get split ends, and then it won't grow again until you trim. Alright, so that advice aside, after the whole straightening, we got the so we went from this to this. I know, right? I was in disbelief. I know my hair grows fast. That was why I had the lever to cut it anyway. But I knew I was expecting growth, but I thought, okay, I'll have a nice bulb, you know, that I can take some photos with before the humidity comes in. I will not lie, I did not think it would be almost the same length as when I cut it, almost bra length. Because when I cut my hair was about 8 years or so. Since secondary school, I didn't cut my hair, so it was like for 8 years or more. Then this one is just 2 years, if not under 2 years. I think 1.5 going to 2 years. And it's like this. This is, in fact, I'll put before and after, like 8-year-old hair relaxed and 2-year-old hair natural. Let me just, I call it 2 year because I can't remember how many months after 1 year. So, are you amazed? Because I am. So this is my journey, my updates on my hair journey, my natural hair journey. If you're not natural, you can still keep your hair healthy. Just make sure it's always moisturized. So if it's not dry and brittle, it will not break. Our hair grows every month, but we don't see the growth because it's dry, and we're always combing it or putting braids in it, that it will keep breaking and falling off. So whatever grows in that month, it will fall off in that month. So you'll be like your hair is not growing, but it is. Just that you can't see the growth due to too much manipulation or brittle hair. Oil, Vaseline is not what I'm talking about. Those ones, we put it to make sure that the water in our hair stays in, to keep our hair moisturized and soft. Okay, I'm talking about water-based creams. Cream, not Vaseline, not jelly, not oil. Okay, not petroleum jelly. So if you can, I'll put link, I hope I remember, of the products I use, because many people have been asking me. Get water-based leave-in conditioner, and maybe a styling custard, like a defining cream kind of, so that when you put them in your hair, they will be soft and moisturized as if there's water in them. Then you cannot put the oil or petroleum jelly or whatever you use on top. I use olive oil. You can put on top to seal in the moisture so that it won't escape or your hair won't be dry. Then weekly, I try to do this. Then daily, when I remember, I spray. I have a bottle with water and olive oil inside. I shake and spray my hair so that it's moisturized. Moisture, water, it has enough of it. Okay, not too much that is drenching, no, just enough to keep it moist as you go about your day. It's just like plants that need watering. Your hair is like that as well. When you eat normal food and vegetables and fruits, you're cool. Your hair will get the nutrients. Then give it water. You will see a difference, trust. Then trim your hair every 3 months or so. Trim the ends. I didn't say cut. Trim like this. Okay, like this. I don't know if that's half an inch or lesser. Trim. Let's see, what's this? This is inch. Okay. If you can trim half an inch, this is 1 inch, half, from here to here, from the ends of your hair, you will see a difference, trust. So for those, it's not magic. Yes, I have good genes for hair, thanks to my mom, which is why it's curly as well and all that. But if I don't take care of it, I won't see a growth in it. I won't see a difference, okay? So this is the secret I can give you. This is the tip I can give you. So I'm happy. I've celebrated my 2 year. The next update will probably be 4th year, because I don't want to put heat in my hair again for the next 2 years. Okay, no, every year I'll do it. I'll do it every year. But I'll be trimming it every 3 months. As it's curly, I'll just go, she'll trim it for me. But if I want to check length, I will wait 1 year or another to do that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. Please take care of your hair. It will thank you for it, and you'll be happy in return from the results you get. If you have any more questions, please put in the comment section. I'll answer your questions about hair, about products, and what you can use. And I'll see you next time. Bye.